Most people think Brave is just a privacy browser, but Brave is actually much more than that. It comes with powerful built-in features that can improve your browsing speed, focus, and productivity. In this video, I will show you Brave browser features most people don't know exist. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we're going to talk about Brave Shields. Brave Shields protect you on every website you visit. By default, Brave blocks ads, trackers, cross-site, cookies, and more. How to open it? Visit any browser and click the shield icon on the right side of the address bar. Here you can see how many ads and trackers were blocked on that page. If a website doesn't work properly, you can temporarily turn off Shield. For more controls, you can simply click on this hamburger menu, simply go for Settings, and then you can simply click on Shield, and into the Shield section, you can simply get more controls in Shield functionality. Our second feature is Speedreader mode. You need to enable it first. Just simply come over into this hamburger menu, simply click on Settings, and then you just need to go for Content. After clicking on Content, you have to make sure you turn it on. After that, you can simply create a new tab, and then you can simply search for BBC or any of website, and then if you select any of this, select on that, and then you're going to get the Speedreader icon over here. You can see. So if you click on that, it will going to give you a Speedreader function, fast and effective. You can simply click on this Tune Speedreader. You can simply always use Speedreader for this site or automatically use Speedreader when possible on all sites. You can see also we can simply select the custom fonts option, and you can simply give a background color if you need. Also, we can hear
maybe she's an angel now.
And there is another option for the AI. You can simply use AI to get the detailed information about this section. Our third feature is Memory Saver. Memory Saver is Brave automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep to save memory and improve performance. This is very useful if you opened many tabs. How to enable it? Simply click on this hamburger menu and then go for Settings. And into the settings, you need to select System. Here is the System option. If you click on that, and then here, if you turn on the Memory Saver, and you can see there is 3 options called Moderate, Balanced, and Maximum. Balanced is recommended. Get balanced memory saving. Your tabs become inactive after an optional period of time. Our fourth feature is Energy Saver. It's basically for the laptop user. If you're using Brave on a laptop, you will also see Energy Saver. It reduces background inactivity to help extend battery life. This option appears only on laptops. Our fifth feature is browser extension support. Brave supports Chrome extensions. You can use built-in extensions or install new ones from the Chrome Web Store. How to manage extensions? Click on the menu option or the hamburger menu and then simply go for Settings. And then if you click on the extension section, and you're going to get the option called Manage Extension. If you click on that, you're going to get all Chrome Web Store extension can be installed on Brave. Our sixth feature is Brave News. Brave offers a customizable news feed based on topics and sources you choose. How to enable it? Open a new tab, click Settings icon. If you don't find the Settings icon, you just need to see the top right of the page here. You can simply select on it and select Brave News and turn it on. That's it. You can follow news by source by your topic. You can see there are lots of options, so you can simply select any of them. Our feature number 7 is Brave Search. Basically, it's a private search engine. Brave has its own private search engine called Brave Search. It does not track you and does not build a profile about your searches. You can use it from the address bar or the new tab search box. You just have to click on this hamburger menu, and then from here you can simply click on. If you simply open it, you can see now we can simply use this feature. Our number 8 feature is built-in screenshot tool. If you open any of website and simply click the share icon, and here you can simply get a screenshot option. If you simply click on it and simply take your screenshot and then simply download it. That's it. Our number 9 feature is Leo AI Assistant. Brave includes an AI assistant called Leo. Leo can summarize pages, answer questions, and help create content. No account is required, and Brave says chats are not stored or used for training. How to open Leo? Click on this AI option into the upper right corner or the AI icon, and then you can simply see the Leo AI is rightly open. Leo is free with limits. A paid version is available for Leo AI. Our number 10 feature is vertical tabs. By default, tabs are horizontal. Brave also supports vertical tabs. How to enable it? For enabling it, what we have to do, you just simply click on this hamburger menu, and then you need to go for settings. And then you need to click on appearance. Into the appearance section, you need to turn on use vertical tabs. If you just turn it on, you can simply see your tabs are vertically showing into your Brave browser. You can see. We need to remind that Brave is more than just a privacy browser. It's fast, customizable, and packed with useful tools. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe. And if you use Brave, let us know your favorite feature in the comments. Thanks for watching.